everyone, this is Anita Kumari from BBA second semester. Today's presentation about is organizational behavior, the study of how individuals and groups act in organization and the 5 main models that explain this behavior. First, understand what is organizational behavior. OB is the study of individuals and group behavior in work setting. It focuses on employee behavior, motivation, leadership, and communication. It helps to create better organizational culture. Google uses OB to maintain employee satisfaction through flexibility and autonomy. Overview of OB model. There are 5 major models of OB: autocratic, custodial, supportive, collegial, and system model. Each model reflects a different management style and employee expectation. Modern businesses are shifting towards models that support motivation and collaboration. Very first model is autocratic model. This model uses authority to control employees. Managers holds power and employees follow order. It ensures discipline but lacks motivation. The example of this model is Foxconn. Foxconn runs strict factories where employees have to follow orders and work under strict rule, and the result is productivity is high but job satisfaction is low. Second model is custodial model. In the custodial model, employees are given financial security and stability. It provides economic security through benefits. The example of this model is LIC. LIC provides financial benefits and job security, making employee feel safe but not very innovative. And the result is employee feels secure due to benefits but may lack motivation for innovation. Third model is supportive model. This model is based on the motivation and support. Manager act as a coach, leader. Employee needs recognition and status. The example of this model is Infosys. Infosys motivates its employees by providing training, mentoring, and leadership support. And the result is employees feel respected and motivated to grow, leading to better performance and loyalty. Fourth model is collegial model. Collegial culture treats employee as partner. It focuses on teamwork and partnership. The employee need responsibility and involvement. The example of this model is Wipro. Wipro encourages teamwork, open discussion, and shared goals among employees. And the result is employee feel teamwork and shared responsibility create high morale and collaborative environment. The last model is system model. This model is based on employee values and purpose. It is based on trust, value, and employee development. The best example of this model is Tata Group. Tata Group promotes ethics, employee welfare, and social responsibility, and the result is employee feel proud and committed, driven by trust, value, and ethical values. And the conclusion is, to summarize, OB provides valuable insight into workplace dynamics. Modern businesses are focused on supportive, collegial, and system models. Companies that value employee well-being are more successful in the long run. There is a famous quote by Richard Branson is that take care of your employees and they will take care of your business. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope this presentation gave a clear understanding of organizational behavior with real example, and I would like to especially thank Professor Ritika Singh for her guidance and support throughout this topic.